The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 could look like in a set of unofficial renders last month, but now we have leaked images of what appears to be the physical device. The images match up with the earlier renders and give us a closer look at the device's display crease, which looks almost non-existent. One image shows the device's display when it's flipped open, and you can see a slight glare where the crease would typically appear. It looks hardly noticeable, but then again, it is a bit difficult to tell what the crease will look like when viewed from just one angle. You can pretty clearly see the Galaxy Z Flip 3's crease when you tilt the phone the right way. It's not a problem in normal use, and it's easy to forget about once you get used to the device. Samsung is rumored to further improve the crease in its upcoming phone, but we'll likely have to wait until we get our hands on the device to see how prominent the crease really is. Just like the renders, the leaked photos of the apparent Galaxy Z Flip 4 show a device that bears a lot of resemblance to its predecessor, featuring a two-tone color scheme, dual cameras, and a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. While the hinge appears to be slightly thinner, there's still a slight gap between the two sides of the device when it's folded closed. The source expects the device to come with the same 12-megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras and a 10-megapixel selfie camera, which is a bit disappointing if true. One of the Galaxy Z Flip 3's biggest weaknesses was its camera quality. The source also says that the upcoming device could come with a larger 3,700 mAh battery and an upgraded 25-watt fast charging capability. As said earlier, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 looks identical to the Z Flip 3. The phone continues to feature a narrow profile with a flip-style form factor like its predecessor when unfolded. You can see a tall, flexible display with a punch hole cut out to house the selfie camera and a possibly better hinge design. The phone appears to have an aluminum frame and a glass back panel. The USB Type-C port, primary microphone, SIM tray section and speaker grill are at the bottom of the device. The power button cum fingerprint sensor and volume rocker are on the right side on the back. The Z Flip 4 has dual cameras, a secondary screen to display time, a music player, notifications, and more, an LED flash. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 can be seen in a blue color option. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.